Hey y'all, it's your girl LaCrystal, and today I'm back with another video. And today I will be doing a mukbang with some, what is it called? Hot and spicy wings. And then I have my boomerang shrimp. I really hope y'all can see because I'm finally using a back-facing camera after my friend, Ishana, also known as the J and L family, kept pressuring me about using the back camera or the rear camera. So I'm going to see how that works. Ishana, this is for you. And in case y'all want to know what kind of wings I'm eating, this is what it's called. And I got it from Food Line, of course. Hot and spicy wings. And then the boomerang shrimp that I told y'all about. It says crispy shrimp with the creamy spicy garlic tossing sauce. So basically you bake the shrimp and then you add the sauce to it later. Well, not later, like after it's done. So this is how it's looking. So good. Get back. You shaking the table. Go over there and play where you was at. Hurry. Sorry, y'all. Pootie decides to come over here and play on the table and bang on it with his toys right when I decided to record. He was not doing that at first. Y'all, that shrimp is so good. Like, y'all notice on all my grocery hauls I had a shrimp. And I'm trying to eat more because I know I was trying to lose weight. I was stressed out because I would look at myself on the camera. And I'm like, dang, I'm gaining weight. Then out of nowhere, I just started losing weight. And I think it's because of when I had the flu, I wasn't eating for like a week, only like little snacks. So, yeah. Now I'm trying to gain weight because I'm not trying to go back to being a toothpick. And don't mind Pootie crying in the background. He's bad. I told him to go back in the living room where he was at. Or it could be stress, you never know. And y'all know I got my side of ranch, right? Look at that. Got my side of ranch. I hope y'all can see that. I'm not used to using my back camera, so this is trial and error, so please forgive me if you can't see. I did make sure I positioned my plate well so you can see that. I don't know how I gave up chicken like that. Fun fact. My lip ring. This is the same day that I recorded the unpopular opinion video. And I have more fun videos coming y'all way, so stay tuned. You know? And my hair is frizzy right now. I hope the camera make it look enhanced or something. And this is childish, but this is a random thought. The other day I had a random thought that I choked on a chicken bone. Because you know the little wingettes, the little bones are so little, and like when you suck on them to get all the skin off, I'm not the skin, the meat, it can easily be stuck down your throat. And like, I don't know why I envisioned that. I'm like, is that a sign? I'm not trying to die choking on a chicken bone, because that's for real. Like, if I die over that, who gonna take that seriously? People gonna be laughing. Oh my God, she died from choking on a chicken bone, and they're gonna laugh. Like, nobody gonna take me seriously. Oh, y'all know I stay with my crystal light. And you know this, man. And y'all know I ain't got no napkins. And I also want to say, I really appreciate y'all. I'm starting to get more comfortable on camera. I'm starting to like really open up and be myself. Because at first I was really shy. I didn't know what to say. I was not saying all that I wanted to say. But now I feel like I'm expressing myself better. And it's because y'all are making me feel comfortable. So I just want to thank y'all for that. Because that's not easy to come by, especially on YouTube. I finally got left alone, if y'all know what I mean. But I don't want to speak too soon because they might be watching me now. How's the quality, Shauna, girl? Watch her still complain. See, this is the part that I be thinking, oh. This is the part I be thinking I'm gonna choke on and die. Let me hold it tight. Maybe I should use my right hand because I'm not left-handed. And my best friend supposed to be coming over here today. I'm gonna try to prank her. Yeah. I think she's too smart for a prank though. Supposed to be doing some collab soon. But the people I'm supposed to be collabing with and they know who they are taking forever. Like, come on, y'all. Y'all are doing better with putting the videos out, though. I will say that. I eat so much, I don't understand how I lost weight. It has to be because I had the flu. But that was back in January. This is so messy. No napkins. And for inquiry minds, this is fruit punch Crystal Light. Pootie, why are you hitting things? Cause what? What I do? Exactly. Huh? It's like when kids wait till you get on the phone and bug you. He gonna wait till I record and sit down and eat. To come all the way over here to bang his toy against the table when he was way over there watching TV earlier. I don't get it. Wow. You watching TV?
Yeah, I'm watching TV.
Kids can't live with them, can't live without them. I know my face messy. And yes, I put my elbows on my table. You heard? I feel like my face is so messy. Pootie, mommy face messy? It's not? You tell me anything because you mad. I did not expect to eat this food this fast. Like, I guess I was hungrier than what I thought I was. And y'all, anything is mukbang worthy. Don't feel like you gotta go out and buy all these kind of food from fast food restaurants. I've been on my lip ring. From fast food restaurants or cook a big meal to have a mukbang. Muck what you want to bang. That was a whack. Do a mukbang what you want to do it with. I don't care if it's mukbang worthy or not. It's good food and people like to see you eat on camera, so if I'm going to come here eating the Pop-Tart, I'm going to come here eating the Pop-Tart. Sorry, y'all. That was rude to talk with my mouth open. But, I mean, mouth full. But, yeah. So, I'm going to come here eating the Pop-Tart, eat the Pop-Tart, and call it a Pop-Tart mukbang. I don't care. Ow. Alright, these lip rings getting on my nerves while I eat. I should have got a Pepsi. Oh, I'm down to 1 shrimp and 1 piece of chicken. Dang, how many pieces of chicken I had? Like 5? I can eat. I better not lose too much weight. I notice my kids, close your ears. I notice my butt got smaller, and that kind of bothers me. But it is what it is. No, it's not what it is. I'm not trying to lose nothing. I'm trying to just... I don't want to get no smaller than this. Excuse me. Oh, I'm sorry. I won't try to do it on this mukbang. I seriously won't. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. But farting, I will not do. Like, I'm sorry. I know I got a couple of subscribers that was hoping I did a fart, but excuse me, I can't fart at the table. Like, I just can't. Like I said, I could do it around my friends and wait for them to smell it and be childish, but I cannot fart at the table on camera. Like, I think that's... I'm not gonna say I think it's disgusting, because people can do what they want to do. I just don't feel comfortable doing it. That's all. But everybody else that do it, I think it's funny. I just can't picture myself doing it. Pootie, you okay over there? I don't even feel like eating this last wing, y'all. Why I always try to get the last one to get full? You okay over there, champ? He mad. Okay, you're right. It's not funny. I won't laugh at him. I was giggling. He mad because he want to come do silly stuff while I'm trying to record. I really don't want this last wing. Fun fact, I'm literally talking to myself right now, but then when you all watch the video, I won't be talking to myself. I'll technically be talking to y'all. Excuse me. Yeah, y'all, let me hurry up because that camera thing just slid back on its own. Excuse me. And the last thing I need is for it to fall, because I break every phone I have, and I just got this phone like a month ago, and the last thing I want to do is break it. So let me hurry up. You okay over there? That last one was a struggle. I'm not even hungry no more. Yeah. Alright, y'all. I hope my face not a mess, but it is what it is. I don't have no napkins. But I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Go check out some of my old videos, like when I pull them out on the iCards or when I display them on the iCards. Make sure y'all go watch them. Please help me out. Help me get these watch hours up. If you enjoy my content, watch my videos. Even the older ones, I guarantee you it's going to be entertaining to you. But like I said, I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Thank you for all of your support. It really means a lot. You would never know how much it means, because it's really hard to get support on YouTube, and I really appreciate all of y'all support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so y'all won't miss any content from moi. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, y'all. Instagram be on and popping. Pictures of myself and the kids, of food, funny clips of the kids. You don't want to miss it. Stuff I don't post on YouTube, I more than likely post on Instagram. And I have food between my teeth. Alright, bye, y'all. That's a wrap. See y'all in the next video.